When you're finished using this, you can just turn it off, simply at the back. I wouldn't be turning it on and off more than a couple of times a day. I don't think it worries it, but I think if you're going to be doing a few in a day, you might as well leave it running, at least in the morning while they're coming on. The power switch is just the back near the power cord there, and just flick it off like that, and it closes down straight away. If you have an emergency or something happens and you want to stop it, the red button at the top here is an emergency stop, and you just hit it like that and it goes off. To get this back working again, there's arrows on the back. You merely turn thing and it releases, and if you haven't turned it off at the back, it will reboot. I'm just going to turn it off at the back now because I don't want it going anymore. I'm going to head away. So just turn it off at the back. But you may find sometimes when you go to start it, it doesn't start, and you get a mad panic, and then you realise if someone's pushed this down by mistake, or maybe in the carriage. You don't need to disconnect any of these things. It can all stay set up, and then that way you can be therapying a dog in as long a time as it takes to basically turn it on, enter your password, let it do the checks. It takes, you know, a minute or two, and you can be doing a therapy. So there's no big lag time. We'll mention this on the side. This holder here is sort of like a universal holder. You can use it for a variety of things, putting the fibre holder in, the 2 fibre holders and that sort of caper. But there's this one as well, which sits just in here, and you slide this down, if I can see, like that. And what that's designed for is to put your therapy handpiece in like that. Okay, now it'll hold it fairly firmly. I'm a bit paranoid about these things. I don't tend to use it. It's okay, it holds it well. What I tend to do is I put mine on the bench and I slip the holder up like this, and let it just come back to rest at the back underneath the interlock. It just sits better for me. I'm happier with it because I think it's less likely to slide out if someone bumps it. I don't want it hitting forward. So when mine's resting, it looks like that. Personal preferences, you can do whatever you like, whatever you prefer.